In this video, we are going to see how we can use and delete the Discord server folders. So let's say that you have a lot of channels or communities joined here and you just want to declutter or organize your Discord server in a better way. So what you can do is just create the folder, and for this particular example, let's say there are a lot of servers that are unused. So I don't want to leave them completely. You can also leave them if you're not using that and it will be removed completely, but we want to just mute this and then add to a trash folder for the time being. So I have created that folder. Here it is, and I have added multiple applications here. I have created one trash server which is muted, and I have added this wiggle server which I have added to the trash. And this is how the folder works. And you can not only add one, you can add multiple apps simply by dragging and dropping into this folder. As you can see, it starts bubbling, and this is how you do it. Now, let's say that you want to get rid of this particular folder. How do I do this? It's very simple to do. All you have to do is just drag and drop these apps out of this folder somewhere else. Make sure they are not in there anymore, and it will kill itself automatically once you get all of them out. And as you can see, that folder is gone, and these are now individual apps or individual communities that is working separately. So that's how simple it is. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.